G'day! In today's video I'm doing a simple unboxing of the XFX 9060 XT 16GB model. Why is this not an 8GB? Because 8GB is pointless in 2025. Do not go near it. The box itself does look to be relatively cool. It is a vertical standing box as opposed to a horizontal box. That doesn't really matter too much. Let's get in there and see what we see. Go. We have a whole bunch of QR codes. QR codes regarding warranty, serial number, personal activation key. I can't say I've come across that. I'll be on the back. More QR codes and about being green. Because consumerism is very green. We have one fairly large and weighty card. Probably nothing else in here, I'm going to assume. Nope, that is all we have. Put this to the side. Let's have a look. One vacuum sealed bag. Well, not quite vacuum, but I'd certainly like the thickness of this particular protective bag. We have one cover, 3 IO, which realistically, I don't mind it being 3 IO. Looks a bit simpler, probably could look a little bit better, tighter, I don't know. But most people are using one, maybe two. Can't say I've seen people using more than 3 monitors. Granted, there certainly are. One film. Over. I'm going to assume we've got no lights, no fans, no colours, no thrills, as this was the budget model. Where are we? If I can actually get in there to lift the film, I'd lift the film off it. Aha, here we go. Taking a fair bit to get that off. There we go. Now these particular blades remind me of the early, like the RX 6700. Similar angle. Plastic, plastic, plastic. We're all plastic here. And that's fine. That maybe metal. Overall, fairly chunky little beast. I would probably describe it as dense. Very plasticky. But if you wanted to sticker this up, put a sticker kit on there, then this is probably going to be the perfect thing to go for. What have you got here? A little impurity on the fan? No, just a bit of dust that fell on it. Overall, it's a 9060 XT. I wouldn't really expect them to produce much heat. So this should go just fine in just about anything. As I say that, what kind of requirements do we have? Minimum, 450 watt power supply. That's pretty darn low. Pretty not bad. That I don't mind at all. Anyway, that was the XFX RTX 9060 XT. OC, of course. Gaming edition. Anyway. Hope that helps you. I'll see you guys later. Bye.